Today in this quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, we are creating this spider princess. So if you want to know how to create it, please keep watching. To create this quick and easy face paint today, Simone is using a split cake by Fusion Body Art. This one is called Very Pretty and it is a very pretty split cake. So there is orange in there, pink and red. The colors are really vibrant as you can see on the skin. And with it, she is just creating the base of the face paint. So the eyes and also a shape on the middle of the forehead and just over the eyebrows. Then we continue to the black by Diamond Effects. This is the Essential Black and here is the base for the spider web for our spider to live in. So the base is just created with teardrops which go on the center of the forehead but also over the eyebrows. A lovely black eyeliner with a curl to finish it off, and then we are creating the spider. So the spider has the round body and then we just need 8 legs. And once you get the hang of creating spiders, they are easy enough to do. A few teardrops just under the eye. And then it's time to connect them all and create them into a spider web. And as you can see, that is pretty easy to do. A few white dots. And of course we also need some stars. Finally a pink lipstick with one of the colors from the split cake, and with that our spider princess face paint for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.